everyone. I am here with Paul Ashworth.
Morning, Alex.
And what is your exact title?
Exact. Wow. Well, I'm the lucky man who runs Bernina of America. So I'm the CEO and president of Bernina of America.
Yes, you are, and you've done a wonderful job.
Thank you.
First thing I want to say is thank you for supporting Bernina TQS throughout the years. I think we're on to number 12.
12 years.
And
Beautiful.
you guys have been so wonderful. And basically, you cover the domestic aspects of the company, and now you're also supporting us via your Longarm.
Yes, we're very excited to get the Longarm part of our partnership with TQS. Home side has been there from the beginning.
Right.
But now we've had this machine 5 years in the market. It's a natural addition to what we do with it.
Well, we just, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank Bernina, and I have to tell you, Paul, I'm eyeballing the sit-down one.
Well, I can crack you a deal.
That's what I
can
think.
crack you a deal.
That's the
But thank you for all you do, yourself and Ricky,
Yeah.
and the whole team.
Great.
Great for the industry.